Nala's baby is discovering more each day. Yet some lessons can never be planned for. To reach the lush new growth means crossing the swollen river. Her baby's feet can't even touch the bottom. In the raging torrent, Nala struggles to reach him. The whole family must work together. But he slips from their grasp and is swept downstream. Even the mighty struggle to fight this current. Nala knows these rapids well. The only way to save him is from the land. His only hope, the bank of the river, and the determination of his family. While he recovers his strength, the whole family will wait. He'll learn from his brush with death.